Hey YouTube, this is an e-bike unboxing. Okay. Then I got the box open. I got... Here, let me put the camera down. I got some Brand DB Matrix. I got the $3 mag for the high kappa, and then I got the gun itself. Let's get it out. Gun itself. KG Works. Let's open this up. Bullets. Manual. Allen key, really small. Right there. And then the gun itself. And it feels really good. Feels heavy. Alright, and that's it.